guide on servicing one of these front 20mm bolt through Mavic hubs. This is obviously the Deemax hub. First thing you want to do is remove these little end caps. Get them out of the way. Next you will need a tool to remove this component. Normally you would just use a pin spanner and it fits right onto there. However, if you haven't got one of these pin spanners, I would just get a couple of old spokes, intertwine them and use those to jam this into place. On the opposite side of the through axle you have these two recesses, two slots. I'm just using a cone spanner for that. So, got my cone spanner, and all I'm doing is rotating this out of there. Once it's slack enough, I should be able to just take it off with my fingers. So there, I should be able to just rotate this off. Next thing I'm going to do is clear a space. And I will be using this punch and this small hammer. I simply put the wheel flat. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be tapping the bearing on the opposite side. There, 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 there and there. And I'll just keep circling it around. Just rotate it from one point to the next. Not really using any force, just tapping it out in increments. And the same on the opposite side. That's basically how you strip one of these hubs and get the bearings out.